You are here because you already have learned a lot about the Osmo Mobile 2, but you want to know more about your gimbal. Coming up!
Damn!
Bonjour my dear Osmo Mobile 2 fans and welcome back to my channel. Celine here. You're here for the first time, enchanté. I'm a TV journalist and a fan of new technologies. If it's your first time here and you like reviews, tutorials and also vlogs, you should consider subscribing. Mais oui, abonne-toi. Juste là. And stay till the end of this video because I want to introduce you to this guy. We will talk here about different tips that could maybe help you in getting better gimbal shots. Don't worry, we are not going to talk about it for 5 minutes, but it's important to point it out because sometimes you don't realize it, and because your phone is not well attached to the Osmo Mobile 2, your footage is more shaky when it shouldn't be. So make sure your phone is well inserted all the way in before trying to stabilize it. With my iPhone 8 Plus, it's more difficult than a smaller phone, so make sure to balance it well before switching on your device. Turn the mobile phone over so that it's facing downwards and adjust the position of the phone in the holder, bien sûr, to balance the tilt axis. The tilt axis is balanced if the mobile phone remains level when released. If you push the main button once, the Osmo Mobile 2 will switch to free mode from follow mode. What does it mean? Qu'est-ce que ça veut dire? In free mode, the mobile phone stays in its current position regardless of handle movements. So pressing once will lock the gimbal in place. If you press the mode button again, it will return to follow mode. Press the mode button twice quickly to center the mobile phone. If you press it 3 times, quickly it will switch between the mobile phone's front and rear camera. Now that you are mastering the main button, let's have some fun. Hello, Dolly. Non, les amis, it's not a person. Dolly is a motion towards or motion from. The name comes from the old Dolly tracks that used to be laid down for the heavy camera to move along. Action. Yes, back in the days, the camera was on a wheeled platform and to get the shot you had to move it along a track. This was used before Steadicams got popular. Now back to Dolly. The phrase Dolly in means step towards the subject with the camera. And Dolly out means to step backwards with the camera, keeping the zoom the same. Zooming the camera changes the focal length of the lens, which can introduce wide-angle distortion or changes in the apparent depth of field. For this reason, it's often preferable to Dolly than zoom. There are many very well-known Dolly moves in cinema history. Let's take Alfred, for example. You know him, you know Alfred. Maybe by his last name? And another very famous movie I used to watch when I was a kid. Okay, this last Dolly shot is more tricky with the phone and the gimbal like the Osmo Mobile 2. It's easier to do it with a camera and a lens. It's called a Dolly zoom, and I have also heard it's called the vertigo effect. So if you're interested on the subject, let me know in the comment section down below. And by the way, this video was shot with my Osmo Mobile 2 and with my brand new camera, the Canon M50. Et oui, rien que ça, I cannot wait to tell you all about it soon. I'd like to thank Olivier for helping me shooting this video.
It was my pleasure.
We were friends way before we started our YouTube channel.
It's been 12 years.
Oh, happy anniversary!
Yeah.
And thank you for helping me out.
It was my pleasure.
He also has a YouTube channel.
Come check it out.
Yes, I'll put the link in the description down below.
Yoo-hoo.
I had a fun time chatting with you. Please click on the thumbs up button just on dessous if you enjoyed it too. And if you haven't done it yet, subscribe to my channel. Mais oui, abonne-toi, you'll see, c'est sympa. Thank you if you did subscribe already. Take care, stay healthy, and I will see you next Monday. Salut!